Okay, I'm going to show you how to figure out how big the artwork is in QCAD. Now the first thing you need to do is make sure you know what units QCAD is measuring in. So to do that, we just go here to QCAD, go to Preferences, and then we can select Drawing Unit. As you can see here, my units are in inches. That's what I actually want. So now when I do all these measurements, they'll be in inches. There's really two key ways to measure the dimensions of the artwork in QCAD. The first one is just to kind of eyeball it. And if your object is at the 0 coordinates, meaning down here, this 0, the artwork starts at that 0, and then up here on the y-axis, it starts at that 0, then you can very easily just sort of hover your mouse over and see, this is over 12 inches, just over. And again, here, this is just over 9.5 inches. Now down here in the bottom left, you can actually see the exact numbers. So for example, if I hover over this is telling me that it's 12.11 inches. And similarly, if I hover on the highest point here, I can see that's 9.5 right there. So that's where my spot is on the mouse. Now the other way to do it is to use this ruler tool. With the ruler tool, what you're going to do is click on it. Then you're going to click this tool right here, the distance point tool. And now what we're going to do is we're just going to simply click where we want to start measuring. So we'll click here at the 0 coordinate. And then we're just going to measure all the way out to the furthest it goes here. And right now, look, this is telling me that it's 12.07 from that point to that point. Now again, I can do this vertically by again selecting the lowest point and then clicking and just dragging upwards. And here I can see that this is 7.06. So it should give you a really good idea of how big your artwork is. I hope that helps.